you all are doing great. We have Shubham Salvi with us. Shubham has completed his master's degree from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, and currently he is working as a radio frequency design engineer at Larsen and Toubro. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving your time for this interview on our YouTube channel, VLSI for All. And Shubham, I would like you to please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Shubham Salvi. I am currently working as a RF design engineer in L&T. I am currently in Mumbai. I have pursued MTech from NIT Warangal in Advanced Communication Systems, and I am basically from Rajasthan.
Okay, so let's start from your BTech journey. How did you get admission in Government Engineering College, Bikaner?
So I appeared for one exam called REAP 2015. From that, I got in Government Engineering College, Bikaner.
Would you like to share anything about your college life?
So yeah, my BTech life was quite saturating. Like the learning and all those were not there because since it was a government college from Rajasthan, so it was not like up to the mark, and all the things were very saturated. We prepared all the subjects in 1 day before exams, and we appeared exams for that, like engineers used to recognize in the industry, right? So that college was like that. Yeah.
Okay. Shubham, can you please tell us about your BTech projects which we have done in your BTech?
Yeah, so I did a project in related to IoT. It was object avoiding robot with the help of Arduino. The Arduino ID we used, and Arduino Uno was the board we used. It was a group of 4 people. We did this project.
Okay, so like you did only one project in your BTech?
Yeah, it was only one project. Yeah, one thing I remember. There was one project which was minor project I did in NIT Kurukshetra during my internship. It was of 1.5 month internship from NIT Kurukshetra. It was sponsored from my college only. So I did there one project which was related to Verilog. So it was an project on FinFET. Some PhD guys were doing that project in that college. So I was a part of that project of designing a FinFET on Cadence Virtuoso, like that. Yeah, and some RTL coding was there, which was developed in Xilinx ISC in Verilog. Yeah.
Okay. So after your BTech, how did you get admission in NIT?
So I appeared for GATE 2019. The same year I pass out my college, and I got a good rank, a decent rank. Through that only I got in NIT Warangal.
Okay, so can you please tell us about the preparation that you did for GATE?
Yeah. So the city in which I was doing my BTech was Bikaner in Rajasthan. It was quite a very basic city. It was not that much a big city. So coaching institutions were not there. So actually I prepared the whole preparation through myself only, self-study it was. And I took one test series, and I started my preparation in the starting of 7th sem. Like that I was doing some subjects related to the GATE side by side my studies, and yeah, through that only I prepared for GATE, and I appeared for test series. That was my good decision. So from that I got this whole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to give some tips for how to, like some small tips which we can use if we are preparing for GATE?
Yeah, sure. I will give because I prepared the whole journey myself only.
Okay.
So the syllabus of GATE is very compact. This is not a vast syllabus. Only few subjects are there in which you have to uh, prepare, and that are very easily accessible. You can learn from standard books. You can learn from notes of any coaching institute. So but yeah, you should appear for a test series, take test series side by side, and do that test series so that your preparation will be very good. Take test according to chapters, according to subjects, and then the full time, the half, like there are almost 10 subjects are there. So you can prepare 5 subjects and take test like that. You can combine, you can go to the advanced level. If you want to go for advanced level test series, you can choose Ace Academy. If
Okay.
you want to do a basic, then you can choose Made Easy. So yeah, like that. Yeah, and also one thing, there are 3 parts of GATE. One is maths, one is aptitude, and one is technical. So
Okay.
technical there are almost 8 subjects. Maths is also basic, related to your curriculum only, and the aptitude is of 15 marks. So you have to concentrate on aptitude and maths more, because maths and aptitude individually is of 30 marks, 15, and the rest 70 is of technical. Technical you can do, but you have to focus as well on aptitude and maths also. That are my some tips. Thank you. Yeah, you are not audible. You are muted.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. That was very nice. So my next question is, what was the like? What is the difference between the MTech and BTech which you did?
Yeah, so doing a BTech and doing a MTech is very different thing for me, because I did BTech from a very basic college and I went for MTech in a very good college which is known in whole country. So the level of learning, the level of challenging things I got in my academics, the people around you are very will be very good in terms of knowledge and all those. They will support you, they will guide you as well. Like you will go in a way in which your success is. You will come out of comfort zone and you will go in the way in which success is there. And yeah, placements are good in NITs, IITs. That is also a good thing. Campus infrastructure is a main thing for people like me. So campus was also good. So doing a MTech was very challenging for me. Actually, in first sem and second sem, uh, there will be only theory subjects in which you have to appear for exams, and those exams will be like exams are 6 days, and that will be full length exam. So you have to be prepared from before the exams, before 10 days of the exams only. And you have to compromise between your sleep, between your food, your friends, and all those. And in second year you will have one project. So yeah, one major project you have to do. Side by side you can do some small projects, but yeah, major project is one. So you can chill at that time, but yeah, learning is always there, so you should learn also. Yeah.
Okay. So how and when did you crack Larsen and Turbo?
Yeah, so I'm sorry for that, but it is Larsen and Toubro.
Oh,
So
okay.
no problem. So actually, in I think in October, the Larsen and Toubro came into my college, and I October 19, no, October 20. So in October, the company came and they released forms, and
Okay.
I fill up the forms. And actually, the test happened in December, because this is the only company which is taking more and more time for campus placement. All the companies do in 1 or 2 days, but this company almost took 4 months. So in December, the test happened and the interview happened in the end of December, and the result came in, I think, Feb or March, like that. So through campus placement, I got in L&T.
Okay, so can you please brief us like what was the preparation behind this?
Yeah, so the basic preparation was for test is FT and C language, and the curriculum subjects of your academics, or related to GATE subjects you can prepare. So the level of test will not be that much high. It will be moderate, but you have to focus on aptitude and C language also, because there will be some questions of C, like what will be the output and of this program, what will be the error of this program. So getting marks in those type of questions is very easy. It is not that much hard, and aptitude itself is very easy. So you can prepare, and the theory subjects you are preparing side by side also in academics also, and side by side you can prepare like some subjects related to, if I say related to EC, electronics and communication. So there are some 3 to 4 subjects which I'll say, like this digital electronics,
Okay.
um, signaling systems. You can prepare control system. Some questions will be there.
Okay.
Network theory questions will be there. Analog electronics questions will be there. Yeah. So
Can you please tell us how many rounds were there?
yeah, so there were 2 rounds of interview, and one was technical and one was technical plus HR.
Okay. Okay. So can you please tell us more about your role?
Yeah, so I'm here responsible for designing of front end parts for the receiver of radar systems,
Okay.
and then the fabricate for schematic and layout both, and then we have to fabricate a PCB for that layout, and then test it to site level.
Okay. And one more question. What is a day like in L&T? What is like a general day in L&T?
This is my answer. In I have written some answer. Yeah. So in L&T, work culture is good. The learning will be good in the starting of your career, and yeah, some pros are there, some cons are there, and it will be there always in all companies. But there is site level, on site level you will go for testing and job. So that is more fun, more challenging, more learning will be there. So yeah, so some days you will be in office, some days you will be in site doing side jobs. You will test there your which you have done work for months, and then you will see the real fun. Yeah, like this.
Okay. So Shubham, if one wants to build his her career in VLSI industry, what should be his or her approach?
Yeah, so the one who wants to build career in VLSI should first be clear with the basic subjects like digital electronics, analog electronics, little bit, not that much. You should know electronic circuit and device concepts like these PN junction, transistor, MOSFET, all basics. And this is the basic which you need. And then in one step you will go forward. You will learn Verilog coding for all the circuits which you have learned in digital design. And then there are some scripting languages like TCL, Perl, or Python. You can choose anyone, which are mandatory if you want to go in VLSI. And if you want to go for design role, you can prepare CMOS, low power design, and you can learn STA, this static timing analysis. Yeah.
Okay. So projects plays a vital role in interview process. So how one should select the projects and what should be his or her thought process?
So I'll suggest you to be familiar with what is going in industry, on which projects industry is working. So you will have a better idea of on what topics the industry is working right now in related to VLSI terms. And if you are having that option of choosing the project, please choose according to your interest also, and according to industry also, what is the trend going in industry. So I was not having that choice that I could have selected my project, but if you guys are having choice, then please go for VLSI. You know, in VLSI future is there, so your future is secured and you can choose.
Okay. As we all know, resume shortlisting is the first step in any hiring process. So would you please like to tell us how to stand out from the crowd and give some pointers to build a good resume?
Sure. So try to try to match your resume with the job description of any opening.
Okay.
Try to include those projects which are related to that job description. If you are having that type of projects, that's very good. If you are not having, do that. Do some projects on in Verilog. Do some projects related to designing. If you want to, and first choose that which role you want to go. You want to go in front end or back end, and if related to that, go and prepare. And in resume you can put your curricular activities, like which workshop you have done, any research paper you have published till now. In BTech or MTech, you can publish research paper if you have done some projects related to your studies, which are good. If you are a sports person, that will also make an impact in resume. And one and more weightage which is having things is projects. Try to do those projects which are related to job description. Yeah.
Sir, last question I'm going to ask you. Sir, does pointer like is pointer necessary for placements?
Yes, it is necessary for placement. There will be some companies which will require 7 CGPA. There will be some companies which will ask for 6.5, but there will be some companies which will ask for 7.5 also.
Okay.
So if your CG is above 7.5, you are shortlisted for each and every company. And not only campus placements, after going to off campus also, that plays a vital role. Getting a good job in industry also, it depends on your CG also. If you are not having experience more than 6 months or 1 year, your CG will play a role. So try to, if you are doing MTech, focus on subjects as well as on project. And if you are doing BTech, focus on subjects, focus on theory exams, so that your CG will be good. And you will be shortlisted for each and every company. The more opportunities you will be having, there will be more chances of getting selected in good company. So yeah.
So thank you so much, Shubham, for coming forward to share your views and experience with our viewers. And I wish you achieve even more success in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.